Guys, today I'm taking a look at something that is just a little bit different and may just be a game changer. This is where lifestyle meets tech. What is it? Find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, these are the Nova hearing buds from Linner. They are hearing assisted devices that you can connect to any Bluetooth enabled device like your phone or an amplifier or pretty much whatever, and they act as rather cool looking hearing aids. Now guys, before we get into it, Linner sent me these Nova hearing buds in exchange for my honest review, and if you watch my channel you'll know that whatever I review you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So guys, let's get these out of the box and see what we have. So first up guys, open the box up and you're greeted with some instructions. Next up, you have the charging case that houses the hearing buds. We'll just put this aside for now. We then have this little puck, which is actually an interface that you can plug your TV in or some other device into, and then that connects to your hearing buds by Bluetooth. Now, this is particularly handy if your source device does not natively support Bluetooth. You then have some spare ear tips in different sizes, a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a 3.5 to 3.5mm connecting cable, that's really for the puck. Now guys, back to this charging case. I mean, look at it, it's fairly small and light, and you know what, not too dissimilar to an AirPods case. Open it up and you can see the earbuds, blue and red, which signifies left and right. Going around the other side guys, you can see that the case is made out of a high polycarbonate material and it is reinforced by this metallic hinge. There is also an LED on the front for battery charge status, and you've got the USB-C charging port on the bottom. Now guys, taking a look at the hearing buds themselves, well, as soon as you remove one from the charging case, you can see that they're very AirPod-like, and there's a flashing LED on the top. I also think that the fact that these look like AirPods is pretty cool, because no one's even going to know that you're wearing hearing aids. Now guys, pop these back into the charging case and wait for it. Yes, these bad boys go into cleaning mode. Every time you close the lid, it's got a UV light to destroy and kill bacteria. And you can see right now, the UV light has been activated and it's now cleaning with this certified UV light to be able to break down any bacteria that would reside in your hearing aids. And that is pretty cool. Next up guys, there's an app. Well, of course there is. Download it from the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. You want to search for Linner Heart app, download it, install it, make sure you're paired to your phone via Bluetooth, and you're good to go. Now, when you first open up the Linner Nova app, you're invited to take a hearing test. So pop the hearing buds in and start the test. This will play a series of sounds through different frequencies through each bud. Once the test is completed, you will get a readout of your hearing capability. Fortunately, you can see that mine is normal, which I have to say I'm quite happy about. Now guys, from the app you can set different modes, for example dialogue, restaurant and whatever, and you can adjust the volume of the amplification of each bud. Now I have to say I'm not hard of hearing, but the amplification detail and sound quality was insanely good when I tried these. I also hooked them up to listen to some sounds through the Bluetooth connection, which immediately kills the amplification, and I've got to say, as Bluetooth earbuds, they sound pretty good. They tend to lean themselves more towards mids and highs rather than bass, but all the same, it was a very pleasant listening experience. Now remember guys, I said I wasn't hard of hearing, but you know what, my mum is, and actually she probably wouldn't thank me for saying this, but you know what, at 82 years old, she does wear conventional hearing aids. So off I go to London to visit my mum and get her to put these through their paces. Now, First off, a little fiddly to get out of the charging case and then to get them in her ears, which, you know, with a good seal. We did swap out the smaller ear tips, so that was good. And Eureka, I'm talking to her and she says she can hear me clearly. So I thought, great, I've found a good home for these. Now, in a noisy room full of people talking, she could still hear me, but when I was close to her, but once she was a little further away, I'm afraid that all of the conversations kind of merged into one and she struggled to be able to separate the individual conversations. So that's not so good in this scenario. Now, when I talked to Linner about this, they stated that the effective distance of these hearing buds is about 3 meters. However, they have added a transmitter accessory to their product that can help users hear distant sounds after connecting the transmitter. Unfortunately, they were unable to send me one to test, but if I do manage to get hold of one, I will make an update video. So guys, that is just about it for this one. These Nova hearing buds from Linner are actually very, very capable. They would probably suit someone with mild to medium hearing impairment. As I said, for me, albeit there's nothing wrong with my hearing, I found them to be very accurate and clear. Music content was nice also, and you also get the interface to connect to some sort of wired device, which, you know, although I didn't test, looks pretty straightforward. Now, if this is something that you would like to see tested, then let me know in the comments, guys. Also, if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. I'll leave any product descriptions and any discount codes in the description. And guys, if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching. Thanks to Linner for sending me these really cool and useful and probably much needed for somebody hearing buds to review. Guys, I'm Dave for Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.